Hello dear friends. Today is going to be the first class in the series which I call How to Buy, Sell and Finance Condominiums. A lot of people, even those who own condominiums, don't know that to finance them there might be a problem. Condominiums are divided into two categories, warrantable and non-warrantable. Those properties which fit warrantable criteria, they can be sold to Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, they can be done by FHA and VA sources, but if it's some issues, it can be technical issues, it can be issues owner occupancy, it can be issues HOA, finance, insurance. If you have those issues, this project is going to be non-warrantable. Now, if it's non-warrantable, conventional lenders cannot do this loan, and this is a problem. Now, I discovered this, I knew it, of course, before, but never to extent as it came obvious now. We became the lender or source of loans for Millennium Tower. Now, Millennium Tower is used to be called Leaning Tower of San Francisco, had a lot of issues, technical issues. And as a result of this, majority of lenders could not make the loans. And fortunately, we found number who can. And as a result of this, last year, I financed 11 properties. Okay, and I'm working on 2 of them now. So it's a huge advantage for us. But the reason we are able to do it because we work with many different lenders, sources of money. Now, let me give you an example. There is another project in Oakland, which we are helping listing agent to sell it, which has issue with insurance. Apparently, because HOA couldn't buy the whole insurance for the whole 400 units, they ended up just covering for $2.5 million instead of $155 million. It's because this is a problem. Many lenders or majority lenders said, no, we cannot do it. And when the listing agent asked me to check, I sent this information to 24 different mortgage banks, those lenders who we work with. And only 2 of them said yes. So we found lenders who can do those loans. But what happens with others? We don't know. So I decided to bring this awareness to the public, to real estate community, is because the only way you can find the answer is by giving us HOA declarations. So every time when listing agent gets a listing, he gets a packet from HOA, which has a lot of information. And until we send this information to the bank, no one really knows if it's warrantable or not. So banks, in turn, those who sell to Fannie and Freddie, they say they have a list and they check against their list as they send information to their buyers, whatever they do internally, and then they let us know, yes, it is available. Now, what happens, what was available yesterday might not be available today because things change. And when things change, you can get a loan. Recently, we had another transaction with where a client went to Wells Fargo, their bank, and for 3 weeks, they were working the loan, only telling the client that they cannot do it without, it was 30% loan to value. Client was shopping around. He went to different banks and then he came to us as well. So we were able to get him approval from 2 different sources. And this is what it is. So every time when you have a question, if you own condominium, you want to buy one, or you want to finance, give me a call. I'll help you. Thank you.